Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Power. Power to the people. Wait. 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4. 8. 4 plus 4. 8. 8 everywhere. 8 everywhere. 8 everywhere. 8 everywhere. 8 everywhere. 8 everywhere. Power. No yawa. No yawa. No yawa. No yawa. No yawa. Yes. Now me and a brother. Live on ground, Comrade ourselves, Sakunokwodi. As of today, we have officially come out to respond to their kangaroo flag off. Yes, their kangaroo flag off. Now, of course, as Edo people, we are determined. I was ashamed to see the then national chairman, the disposed national chairman of the All Progressive Congress, Adams Aliyu Oshomole, dancing on a podium. The same podium he used to make series of statements in Edo State. As of today, the man came out again to change the existing narrative. Instead of him to hit the nail on the head, he tried as much as possible to run his mouth. But at the end of the day, they quickly cautioned him, we do not want you to be the face of our campaign. Because they know you too well, even in the group of these collaborated criminal elements. They know that you talk with control. We decide to, hello, Abasu. We decided to come out to respond to him. Now let me tell you people, all the people, all you need for mobilization in a group where the people are tired of you is for you to have 3,000 naira per person. You could see in a video where a man said, Isayamu was walking into the palace. The boy said, now simple agenda, correct man, I bet no change, oh. You say we go to share them, no change, oh. The video is circulating everywhere on social media. This is to tell you their stance. This is to tell you their stance. Now, in terms of mobilization, they refuse to respect the COVID-19 pandemic principle, even when they came out with a shambolic material claiming that they are testing temperature. They mobilized to the teeth. And at the end of the day, even as small as Unibank Sport Complex, they were not able to fill it up to capacity. This to tell you that they have been rejected. Now look at the governors that were on ground. A open Ganduje Dollar Babariga coming out to speak. Adam Oshomole, who said that Pastor Sage Isayamu stole 700 million. Adam Oshomole, who said that Osage Isayamu is a pastor in the day, Bible in the day, AK-47 at night, came out again to run his mouth. The evidence are there. People should see for themselves. Now let me give you a classical example. You cannot tell me that the number of persons that was that were at the stadium today is up to 20,000 overhead per head. Now, we have 192 wards in Edo State. If each of the wards provide just 30 persons, you will arrive at such capacity. That is not the determinant in the elections. Ask them, why have they refused to campaign to the markets? Why have they refused to carry their camera along? This is because of the fact that they have been jettisoned, they have been rejected, they have been thrown into the trash can of history by those people. When they try to take over the State House of Assembly, within a twinkle of an eye, in 15 minutes, the total number of persons that they have in that podium, that they have in the University Sport Complex, mobilized in 15 minutes to take over the State House of Assembly, to prevent those disgruntled elements from having access to the Assembly. That is to tell you the people's will. So, this is a pure political gang-up. The likes of Adamo Shomole and some selected few who are hell-bent on rigging elections in Edo. But the truth is, we will resist him and his like in totality. We have been asking and we keep asking, what are the promises made to those who are running Eta-Sketa to bring back looting administration into Edo State? What is Oshomole looking for? For us to be tying a single kilometer of road at the cost of 1 billion, whereas the initial money used in tying of 50 such road is within the rate of 125 million to 170 million. The question is, where is the balance 820 million naira? Is that what Oshomole wants to continue in Edo State? For how long shall we continue to live in a fool paradise where psychopaths celebrate mediocrity? We can never allow them. They will never succeed. Now, you see them, they were coming in batches. We analyze the whole activities as far as their flag off is concerned. Mr. President, the President of the Republic of Nigeria, gave Osaide Ezeyamu the flag of the APC. He was smuggled by the governor of Kano State, Governor Ganduje, into the presidential villa. As we speak, as the leader of the party APC in Nigeria, it is one of the basic expediency for the president to be present in a rally or in a flag off of any party faithful. This is not a councilorship election or a local government chairmanship election. This is a gubernatorial elections, for God's sake. Because the new quite well that people have been saying that in spite of the fact that Ezeyamu has been made the candidate, he has not been able to see president. They decided to make it a point of duty to fight and celebrate pictures. Let's go back to history. In the recent past, what happens to the likes of Great Ogboru? What happens to the likes of Great Ogboru? Ogboru contested elections under the All Progressive Congress. The president raised his hand. He gave him all the flag, but he was still defeated in Delta State. I want to state this categorically clear. In a battle, in a war, when you have different gladiators finding themselves in a settlement, confronting each other to achieve a specific goal, there is no way there will not be punches from different ramifications. Let me give you a classical example. In a boxing activities, you see the commentator coming out to say, we are introducing and so man, he has 10 lightweight, heavy lightweight, he has fought more than 7 fights, unbeaten, he has done this, he's not a global this. So Anthony Joshua, you hear people clap. Does he say they'll go down and they'll say he has fought 10 fights, no, without undefeated, he's so and so weight, this is the number, this is let's run. violence, they'll say, but when the fight starts, punches go start. There must be punches. But the truth is, at the end of the day, Obaseki must return as the governor of Edo State. The likes of Adamo Shomole, no, those who practice the principle of AK-47 at night, Bible in the day, cannot stop the collective will of Edo people. I want to assure you all, politics, according to a man who lived 300 years before Christ, Aristotle, define politics as the science of collective happiness. Man by nature is a political animal. You must expect activities to take place because we are having separate political parties coming in to fight, coming in to contest, coming in to struggle for a specific position. We will not trivialize anybody. We will not underrate anybody. As we have earlier said, we remain on course. All hands must be on deck and we'll never leave any stone unturned until we confront this economic monster who are hell-bent on pushing Edo State into the backwater of economic and political decadence. Now, as I've earlier said, I'm going to repeat it again, one after the other. We stand to defend the interest of Edo people. We cannot be intimidated, Nigeria students. Get yourself prepared. Say great. We cannot be intimidated, Edo people.
Great.
We cannot be intimidated, Talakawas.
Great.
We cannot be intimidated, great men and women of Edo people.
Great.
As we speak, we are going to teach them what politics is. It is only a fool that will jettison the ever-growing energetic youth and begin to rest hope on those unfaithful politicians who are not concerned about the welfare of the citizen. This is a man that has been able to establish a well-orchestrated economic template for development to prevail in all tributaries of Edo State. And I begin to wonder, why is Adamo Shomole and the likes of the Edo-based billionaire fighting to change a prosperous administration in Edo State? They have openly agreed that they don't care about what happened on social media because they know we are already terminating them on social media. Look at the statement made by them. They said, if we are not talking about social media, we are on ground. Whereas in just last 2 months, Osage Izeyamu organized a social media team, giving them stipend of 50,000 naira every month, including a subscription fee of 5,000, which is 55K, for them to say nonsense on social media. Despite that, till date, Edo people confronted them and chased them out of the social media space. Instead of them to openly agree that they have lost, that they have failed, they are telling you, not be social media. We want to tell you that we are on ground. What do you think you are on ground? Now, for anybody who resigns in the Obaseki administration, they goes directly to Iseyamu's house, present their resignation document, then they place them back into the same salary that they were receiving under the Edo State government. This is amply funded by the man who is more concerned about Edo Oye than the head of Edo people. A man who is more concerned about the Edo Oye than the collective economic interest of Edo people. The truth is this: you can fool some people sometimes, you cannot fool them all the time. Share this video and invite your friend. Please share. We cannot continue to live in a full paradise. We can never be intimidated. We go speak our mind. You not fit stop our flow. You not fit stop our shine now. Now, Oshomole was there. Ogbane no one. Ogbane, Le Road, everywhere they say power. PDP. Ogbane. Nobody go change her. Now, Oshomole was on the podium. He was saying MOU, 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 MOU. I want to ask Oshiomhole a question. Is Osioma plant, power plant, not a byproduct of MOU? Is Uronigbe rubber research not a byproduct of MOU? Is the modular refinery not a byproduct of MOU? How much was the cost of CFO under the administration of Adam Oshiomhole, and what is obtainable today? How many employment did Oshiomhole created as a governor? Oshiomhole, a mentor, became a billionaire when he was governor of Edo State. Why he was NLC? They rigged the selection. He ran back to Benin to come and give a press conference. It was Pastor Osage Izeyamu, sorry, not Pastor. Osage Izeyamu who stopped it to say, don't worry, don't give press conference. We are going to court to fight it. They agreed that immediately Oshiomhole finished his administration, he's going to hand over power to Izeyamu. Oshiomhole changed the narrative because he believed that he wants to be the sole godfather. Because Obaseki refused to not agree with him. Obaseki said, I want to work with other people. That is why he's going now back again to the to the old narrative. We are not fools. We know what is going on. So, if in 3 years Obaseki can achieve all this, or you think that Otai Road, we know what happened in Airport Road. Awarding contracts to friends, girlfriends, cronies. As a day under Oshiomhole administration, then they remove Ashawo. They turn our small guests to Ashawo. Oshiomhole will sit, they'll pack guests come. They'll do a point and give the select guests. Because this government refused to do it, even those when they follow Oshiomhole, they all came out on the media to say, you know, they call them call interest. Now that's your problem, eh?
PDP!
Now rise be your problem. Obaseki na big man. Who no one call us small boy. Obaseki na big man. Who no one call us small boy. Obaseki na big man. Who no one call us small boy. Obaseki na big man. Who no one call us small boy. Who no one call us small boy. Obaseki na big man. Who no one call us small boy.
PDP!
Power to the people. The truth is the truth of the matter is simple. We cannot go back to Egypt. No matter what they do, a man who openly stole dollar. Anti-corruption regime did not even call him one day for questioning, even when we know he has immunity. Are we not going to listen to what you saw today at the podium? Is the conglomeration of criminal elements. Is the conglomeration of criminal elements. Oshiomhole told us that Izeyamu is a criminal. Izeyamu told us that Oshiomhole is a criminal. But Dangote showed to us that he is a criminal. So it is the conglomeration of very... Yes, please, sorry. I actually went off to quickly subscribe because the data did not finish. And so sorry for pausing it. Now, Oshiomhole told us that Izeyamu is a thief. Izeyamu told us that Oshiomhole is a thief. Izeyamu said Oshiomhole received the sum of 1.4 trillion naira as a governor. And he said such revenue has never come to Edo State area. Oh, sorry, my network is a little bit bad. I don't even connect this man. So we are going back. Now, as I've earlier said, Ohama gumegwa onikugeria. Ohama gumegwa onikugeria. Ohama gumegwa onikugeria. So Magisa is a bona, Ikugaria. 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 We will punish them with the truth. We teach them a lesson Edo people, we are united. Now let me tell you. When Governor Ganduje was coming to Edo, he stopped and tried to mobilize some people from Kara. They rejected him. They said, we are with Obaseki. We cannot go.
Exactly.
He was forced to control his own people from neighboring states. Each of the governors came with their people. That was what you saw at the stadium. How many of them come and show their face, say, I'll be from Edo? No! So if you bring foreigners, come, all in a bid to show overhead, say we have the crowd. You cannot bamboozle us. You cannot deceive us. You cannot deceive us at all. For how long, as I've earlier said, shall we continue to live in a full paradise? We are psychopaths. Celebrate mediocrity. Will you accept that?
No!
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 Let's tell ourselves the simple truth.
That is true.
Oshomole, Israel said Oshomole stole 1.4 trillion.
Yes.
Oshomole planted flower at Ring Road
Yes.
at the cost of 900 million. He awarded Uremigbe road contract construction. Those who bidded within the range of 4.8 billion. Oshomole awarded the contract to Setraco, who never bidded at a cost of 8 billion. So now those corruption in one return. Okay. Oh God, carry your ticket, go. Oh God, carry your ticket, go. Anywhere progress day, Edo people day. Anywhere progress day, Obaseki day. Oh God, carry ticket go. Oh God, carry ticket go. Anywhere progress day, Edo people day. Anywhere progress day, Obaseki day. Anywhere progress day, Obaseki day. Anywhere progress day, Edo people day.
PDP!
Iziamu try to jump the fence. Chukuchukuchuki nyash. Iziamu try to jump the fence. Chukuchukuchuki nyash. You lie to me. What you do? What you do? You lie to me. What you do? What you do? You lie to me. You cannot continue to deceive us.
No.
We are tired.
Yes. Oh.
We can no longer live in a full paradise.
Yes.
Edo stands for Obaseki.
Yes.
Obaseki will remain. No matter what they do, this is an opportunity to call on all Edo people around the world. Mobilize your family members. They want to create fear. They want to create fear. They want to create fear so that people will be afraid to come out. They are violent people. They are selfish people. They want you to be afraid not to come out. My brother, my sister, my mama, my papa, come out and vote. The governor say, Ebwede. The governor say, Ebwede. The governor say, Ebwede. Early Momo. The governor say, Early Momo. The governor say, Early Momo. The governor say, Early Momo. The governor say,
Ebwede.
The governor say,
Ebwede.
The governor say,
Ebwede.
The governor say,
Ebwede.
get yourself prepared. And those in the diaspora, most especially members of the diaspora connect worldwide, tell your family members to come out en masse to vote and elect His Excellency Governor Godwin Obaseki. If you mistakenly allow these evil gangs to succeed, believe me, you are returning Edo back to the Stone Age. And that would be deleterious. That would be devastating. Not for you alone, but for the generation yet unborn. For the generation yet unborn. A man that is going to a war that begins to look at the weapon of his enemy as a deterrent is not ready to fight. We broadcast from any strategic location. We will not stop until the interest of Edo is protected. They're going to talk deep if young women did also go to hold the truth. Unuwaje. And matter no, then the question never say, hey.
PDP.
Power to the people.
Power to the people.
PDP.
That is
Now,
4+4.
no shake. No shake. I just want to respond to the lies made by Adamo Shomole. By the power of God, let me finish my analysis tonight. By tomorrow, we'll reach out to Edo people and let them know the current development. None of us fight together. Now money level, they fight. Now you go the man of the sharer. Till now, Obaseki never did, not release money. But that is why we said you need to release funds to get drones. We need drones to monitor the election. CNN, Al Jazeera, Sky News, they should be on ground. Anybody will make the whole world to use the name they sing. Then international community can better monitor the elections. That they are rigging plan, you know, go war. Obaseki will return elected in Edo. Thank you very much for listening to me, and remember humble self, your noble right activist, a strong supporter of the progressive governor of Edo State, Governor Obaseki. I remain Comrade Osaze. Osakweno Wode. A big bye for now. Play road. Awareness. 4+4 is equals to 8. 6+2 is equals to 8. 7+1 is equals to 8. Ogbane, Play road. Bye for now.